Привет everyone, my name is Alex. This is Lance Truck Camper 2011 and I full-time in this thing. What I wanna do? I wanna do a quick walk around, show you what this is, what goes in it, why I do it, answer some basic questions. So this is the way it looks from outside. That window. This is electric jacks. So they operated either by electricity or you can also do it manually with a wrench. So little thing goes in here and you can lift them up or lower them down individually. So what we have here on the left side, so this is a water heater. Looks pretty complicated. I have no idea what any of those things are, but it heats up the water.
Okay.
Apparently you don't wanna enclose this thing. Should be well ventilated.
Even during winter?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. And this little window, I think it should indicate if it's working or not. There should be seen a light, I guess. Actually, let's see. What's up here? Yeah, probably right there.
Okay.
Just like that. So what we have here is propane. Bam!
Ooh.
Benzomatic. 2 propane tanks. So I keep one of them closed while another opened. So in this case I can monitor my usage. So for example, this one is nearly empty. There is a little gauge that says once it's done, I close the vent and I flip the switch onto another one. Or you can keep them both opened, but in this case you won't know
Which one is empty or...
Yeah, kind of. So this way I find it better.
Okay. Good.
Okay, so continuing on the left side. So next to propane, we've got what? Batteries. So there is a little latch. You can pull them out. Bam. So these are 2 deep cycle batteries, 12 volt each. This is a switch. Interesting thing. So when it pressed in, it cuts all the power.
Okay.
And the last thing on the same side is outdoor shower. So this is the hose. Up. I think the pump should be on. Voila.
Oh, good.
So after the run or bike ride, just up, quick shower, and you're good. Also in the same compartment, you see there are a few things on the bottom. So there are 2, how they called, handles. You pull them out. One for gray water, one for black. When you are at the dumping station, you connect the hose underneath. Right there. You open that thing, you connect the hose, you pull the 2 handles, and shit literally hits the fan.
Good.
Okay, so we are on the back of this beauty. Come on over. I'll show you this thing. It's a little door here. Can be opened like this and like that. What we have here is a long ass cable. So you can plug this thing to the regular wall power, 120 volts, and power everything from there. Arizona. Yeah. there is a nice latch. This thing keeps the door open. Okay, so what do I have here else? We have this nice cover. It goes up and down. I'm gonna put it up so we can show the roof. So what do we have here? We have vents, just regular vents. This is big AC unit, antenna, TV. One of them TV antenna, one radio, I believe. That's a sunroof in a bedroom. How do you call it? This is a sunroof in a washroom. And this is the thing I'm proud the most. Solar panel, which myself installed. It's 150 watts solar panel, which I bought at Canadian Tire. It was on sale, so regular price is about $500-600. This one was, I think, either $250 or $300. So it was a pretty good deal, and I couldn't figure out where to put it, so I put it on this side and mounted the 3 brackets. So I didn't want to drill any holes in my roof, right? So I put these 3 brackets here, and nothing holds the solar panel on this side, but it's okay. Yeah, and the cable plugs in to the roof. So this is the right side. No propane, no batteries, no heater on this side, but we've got a fridge. Yep, so this is the fridge. I know everything about this thing because at some point it stopped working and I had to troubleshoot the issue. So, yeah, nothing complicated. This is the fridge basically. And this thing is the heater exhaust. So it has the propane heater. So this is where the exhaust goes. And this is where you fill up the fresh water. Fresh water is 170 liters. Fresh water tank. So it can last a while. So people like storage, especially in these types of things. People love their stuff. They bring their stuff everywhere. Storage number 1. No? Yep. Bam. Check this out.
Ooh, it's
Yeah.
deep. Okay.
Yeah. This thing goes all the way there inside. So this is on the other side, just as the one I showed you a second ago. Also. So I bought these containers at Walmart. I think it's like $15-20 each. The beauty of them, they're long and they not too tall. So I keep my winter stuff. Okay, so we're back on the back. I'm gonna show you generator. So the ladder goes up, and here is a tiny guy called Cummins Onan. It's a propane generator, works on propane and outputs 250 watts.
For the fridge and for the oven.
For AC, for microwave, for everything. Charges batteries also. Welcome to my cave.
Wow. So beautiful. Very nice.
Yeah, so this is my working area, my office. So I put my keyboard here, laptop, mouse, working. Open up the window. This is my storage, or you can sit, stretch your legs up there. All my books on the bottom. I put them on the bottom because they just so heavy, and you wanna keep the heaviest stuff as much possible to the ground because of the
Good to know.
shaking. Yeah. So I put these two bins here. They weren't here before. Just put them to keep my stuff. Extra storage. So this thing up top, this is the bed. Bed probably for a child. So it goes down and it lays on these rails, as you can see. I can't put it down because of my stuff up there. Also, it has a net. So as you open it up, it closes with the net. So you can also use it as a storage. Stuff will not fall out. Okay, so another thing about this office area, how you call it? You can transform this desk into a bed. And it goes right there. Just like that. Yeah, you put something here. I think I have a pillow to put up there, but a person or two kids can easily sleep here, and another child up there. So if you have 3 kids, yeah, this is the area for them.
Oh, good.
Storage. More stuff. We have so much stuff, we need to have space to put it everywhere. Stuff storage number 1. So in this place I keep all my training gear. Wetsuits, bike, run, everything. Yeah, it's pretty big one. Nice latches. So everything's here on latches. Storage number 2. Bam. It goes all the way up there. Again, same long box as you saw before on the outside. I keep some medical stuff in case I get sick, whatever, and shoes. Yeah. And Blake storage.
For the dog.
Yeah, Mr. Blake has his own storage, which currently holds my flashlights and something I might need when this thing is shut down, easy accessible from the outside. Okay, so this is a sliding door, brings you to the washroom. Let me show you. So another shower head, the sink, the mirror, keeping some stuff in here, extra storage, oh wow!
Here is it. The mouse is there.
Yep, that's the guy. Look what he've done. So I have a mice here in the camper.
Yeah, at least you find it, but I am surprised that he didn't went out to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
So now he's there, but is there another exit or entry from the back?
I don't know, man. I don't think so. So now I have no toilet paper.
It's a female.
Look,
She will do a
look here.
Baby.
So this mice, she stole the rice up from the kitchen and hid it right there.
Holy shit.
about that. No more toilet paper. Apparently mice really loves toilet paper. But that's a story for another video. Yeah, so what I have here is a toilet, and so this is the handle that washes the toilet. Bam, it goes inside. You can take the shower here. Here is the what's it called? Sunlight from top. And yeah, this is the vent for the heater. Okay, this one is a big one. It's a kitchen, my favorite area. So let's start from top. Microwave, operated either from generator or you need to be plugged in to the wall, 120 watts. It will not work from batteries. It will not work from solar power. But you could technically make it work. It doesn't work this way, right? Storage or stuff. Storage number 2 up on top. I put these 2 buckets here. I keep my vegetables, fruits, oatmeal. What else? Drying rack, paper towel, nice little window. It has blinds for privacy, just like that. Okay, so this is the stove, of course propane operated, just like that. I already used it twice, works really well. Storage for stuff, forks, knives. Oh, we've got more mice.
What?
Stop. We're back. Okay. The kitchen. So, microwave. Bam, regular microwave. Storage. Food. Here is my electrolytes, magnesium, BCA, creatine, and sugar-free jello. This is how I cook oatmeal, but that's another story. That's for my cooking channel. What we have here? Oatmeal. So the mice don't eat the oatmeal, you put it in these containers. I learned the hard way. Yeah, I keep a bunch of stuff. This is my, how you call it, to boil the water. Okay, you get it. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. The light. Bam. We've got here. Little privacy screen also goes in there, all the way down. So drying rack for my dishes. I put 2 buckets for storage, butternut squash, and another vegetable. What's that? I forgot what it's called. Stove. That's simple. Bam. You cook stuff here. I love it. I cooked already twice. This is my magnets from Marbella, Austin, Texas, Paris, Arizona, Hawaii, all kinds of places. All kinds of places. What else? Storage. You love storage. You just have so much freaking stuff. You need to put it somewhere. Another storage. This is my breakfast cereal. Just kidding, Blake's food. Protein. Yeah, pretty large space actually. Storage here. Storage there. Up there. Bam. What else? What else here? Exhaust fan on the top. just like that. So when you cook, all the fumes go upside. What is this? Any guesses? This is the power inverter. So I installed it myself, really proud. So I connected it straight to the battery. You turn it on like this, and you can charge your laptop, you can charge anything, you can, I don't know, you can run power tools, whatever.
Is this the one charged from the solar panel?
Solar panels charge batteries, and batteries feed this thing. It's not connected straight from solar,
Okay.
it's connected from batteries. What this thing does, it basically transforms 12 volts from the batteries into 120 volts. What it does, it transforms battery is a DC power. It transforms from DC to AC. Sorry about that. We're about to go on a nice ride, but before we go, we'll finish up this video. Secret cabinet. Ah,
Hey!
you did not expect that. So we've got MCT oil, fish oil, all kinds of doping. Yeah, I keep it here. Latch is on. Fridge. Check this out. So the fridge runs out of 3 power sources. It runs from AC, 120 volts. It runs from DC, 12 volts. And it runs from propane. Would you believe fridge runs on propane? But it does.
I am surprised for the 20 volt though.
And 20 volts, 12 volts also. Okay, so that's the fridge. I think it's 6 cubic feet. It's good enough for me. Yeah, I don't need any more. And the freezer. Bam. Fish only. Fish, nice. AC unit. So to run AC unit, you need to be either on a generator or AC power, meaning wall plug. It will not run off the batteries. Also, not to mention, the camper is 4-season, so it means you can live in it in the winter, in the summer, spring and autumn. It has the propane heater, so the heater runs on propane. The outlets for the heater right there, so it blows the hot air from this one, that one, and the one in the washroom, and the one in the bedroom. So speaking, no, important piece.
A nice window.
You know why it's dirty? Someone's nose was poking in this window. Mr. Blake sits here. This is his place. Yeah. You can open it up. Yeah, the only thing, it does not have the mosquito net. So if you open it up, oh, we just got the fly. Close it. And the last but not least, bedroom. Train hard, recover harder. That's the bedroom. Okay, what do we have here? Lights. Reading lights. Also the light right there. If you look to your right, what we see? We see the mirror. This is my closet. Also has the light. Training gear on the right, regular human gear on the left. That's it. That's a heater vent. This is where I keep my hats. Also here is a storage. Let me show you. Bam! Storage. Window. Has the blinds in it. Goes either like this more like that. And another window right there. Storage, more stuff. Man, you can put so much freaking stuff in this thing. And you can also put stuff in here. This is what I did. This is the sunroof. Opens up just like that. Okay. Yeah, and beautiful part, it has either this cover if you want to sleep, or you can use mosquito net. Perfect. It also has the radio from the Stone Age. Still uses cassettes. Because we're somewhere in the middle of nowhere, I don't think it's gonna catch anything. No. Okay, anyways, speaking of solar. So, Mr. Sasha installed solar himself, and one important piece about the solar charging is a charge controller, so you don't burn your batteries. I put it right there. You probably don't see it, but this light means battery is being charged. That light is good. And I think this is it. I forgot to mention the size of this mattress. The bed is a queen size. So, as you can tell, 2 people can easily sleep in it. And another cool thing about this, if you want to get some privacy. There you go. Yep. So, important thing to know about this fridge, RV fridge, is the level. They need to be leveled appropriately to work the way they should. So this is why I put the little leveler here. If it's not leveled correctly, it will not work. And all your food will go straight into the garbage. So the correct way for the fridge to be leveled, like slightly up the hill, like slightly tilted. So the left corner should be higher than the right corner.